Namaste, welcome to Srimat Cuisine. Today we are going to see how to make carrot halwa. The ingredients required for carrot halwa: 1 kilo of grated carrots, around quarter kilo of sugar. Here I am using white sugar, but please do replace it with brown sugar or a healthier version of any sugar you get at your town. Since it is locked down here, I am not able to find brown sugar here at all. Next, I am going to be using a little bit of cardamom pods. I am going to crush this around 4 pieces. A pinch of saffron. This is a very important ingredient and it gives a very distinct taste to any sweet when added. Around 2 bowls. So let's keep at least half a liter of milk. I have boiled it and I have kept. And little bit of nuts and dried grapes. I will be toasting it in ghee. Let's see how to do this carrot halwa. So in a pan I have added about 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. Vegans can add any other butter of your choice. Preferably not a coconut butter because that would become another recipe altogether, which I will be uploading very soon. So to this I am going to add the carrots. I am going to saute it until the carrots are done and pour the milk, half a liter of milk. This milk is from known source, that is from Srimat cows. So I am taking cow's milk, half a liter of cow's milk, and I would be adding after the carrots are done. Vegans can add any other milk which does not have a strong taste, because cow's milk does not have a strong taste and the texture becomes very creamy. You can add any milk of your choice or just plain water for the carrots to be cooked. Then add the brown sugar and nuts. Fry the nuts and then add it. As you can see, I have added about half a liter of milk. I don't like my halwa to be extremely creamy, so I add very less milk. Some people even add khoa, but it again depends on your taste. I like the taste of carrots. You can see I have added the saffron strands in this milk itself. Many people mix it with little warm milk and add that milk to this, but I have added in this kadai itself now. It will anyway mix with the halwa properly. Now I am going to add little bit of cardamom powder to the same pan and I am going to cover this and cook until the carrots and the milk carrot gets cooked and the milk is completely dry. As you can see, the milk has been absorbed by the carrots and the carrots are also cooked. For example, just press this and see it is cooked properly. Now I am going to be adding sugar to this mixture. I have already added saffron and cardamom powder. Around 200 grams of sugar should be enough. And I will be garnishing with nuts as I showed you. I will be toasting them in little bit of ghee and adding to this sweet. Remember, as soon as you add sugar, the carrots will become little soggy and watery. It has to completely absorb that water as well, something like this, as dry as possible. This is when you switch off the gas and serve. Thank you and namaste.